Alright, what's up guys, my favorite subscribers and new subscribers, whoever you may be. I just want to say a quick thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. It's freaking awesome. It really helps support the channel. If you guys really like the content, keep hitting that like and subscribe button. If you have any comments of suggestions of places, or you have ideas on how to improve the channel, I'm all ears. Just drop a comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe as always. In today's video, it's going to be pretty awesome. We found a few homes down a street, actually, that were all abandoned. So we explored them all in this one video, which is pretty cool. But with that said, guys, I hope you guys are liking the schedule. I'm going to have a video posted each week from now on. I'm going to try to make a video. If it's not a video of me exploring, it's going to be updates on what's coming up next. But stay tuned, guys. As always, I hope you enjoy, and here's the video. Holy shit.
There's no private property signs, right? So there's no, like, no trespassing.
I don't know. You're probably not really gonna give a shit. Watch out right here. There's a TV through the floor. Ugh. Well, so much for the hallway. Oh, the floor. Did it almost fall through?
Yeah.
So much for those rooms. I might be able to get to the rooms around.
I'm not opening my fucking door.
Hey, what the fuck you doing? Help me out.
I was trying to get out of the way of sight. Oh.
Okay. All these roofs are falling down. Oh man, the floor. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but the floor literally is going like a little bowl.
That's the fucking roof.
That's the roof? Oh, that is the roof. There's shingles in here.
What the fuck is there shingles? Look at this.
Oh.
This is kind of cool.
If the carpet wasn't here, I would just fall through the floor right now. But anyway, this is the bathroom, guys. I'm gonna take you guys over to this.
Sketch and beautiful.
Oh man.
I'm fucking scared.
Yeah. Alright, so this house is super small. I'm assuming this was the kitchen area.
Scares the shit out of me.
This house was super small. Yeah, see, it's a closet. That room actually had 2 closets and a little door in there. Oh, it's... Yeah, it's actually locked. I can't... Yeah, no. I could get in it if I had a screwdriver, but no, it's locked.
We'll never know.
I'm about to buy boots for this shit. Oh man.
Jeez.
Who lived in this house? Kill Bill.
It's a singer.
Hey, watch out. There's more nails.
Don't step on anything.
Oh, there's a little upstairs area. Okay. The door was stuck shut from the house settling. Wow. floor falling in?
Yeah.
This one's got quite a bigger kitchen.
Let me get out of your way so you can fucking film. Bang!
I was trying to show them that 4K quality. God. They had like that one bulb that would light up this room. That's the smallest closet I've ever seen. That's just Sunday clothes. Look at that. Right above the steps. Oh, this room is a little weird.
The ankles in these houses
Are a little odd. You got this last little back bedroom here.
No, this was the
Oh.
shower.
No, yeah, this was the bathroom. My bad. Not back bedroom. This was the back bedroom. And then you had the bathroom. You had your own little... I guess these were double doors.
Yeah.
That were right here. Getting pretty dark. This floor looks worse. Wow. I guess the oven or the cooktop was just all in one big room.
There's some ramen.
A ramen packet?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Do you have a flashlight?
No, that's okay. Bathroom is kind of intact.
They actually have an actual bathroom.
Yeah, it was like curtains on the ground. This little door. Stand in this doorway. It's almost as wide as you. It's like a closet door to a bedroom.
Fancy.
There's just one chair and a cabinet.
It's like the third. Oh, it's an armoire.
Oh, that's cool.
Right next to the closet.
What's in here? Wonder how long it's been shut. There ain't no way.
Yeah.
This house is way older than 2013. Yeah, I seen it. This room's a lot worse. Yeah, there's no ceiling.
But there's curtains.
Yeah. Is this the only house that has actual curtains left?
This is 2014.
There ain't no way. There ain't no way. If somebody lived in this house in 2013 or 14, they must have been homeless. They stole them calendars from somewhere. Alright. Let's go out this way. What?
You just gonna walk in there?
Yeah, walk over it. Walk over the hole. Do the acrobatics. There's that, what is that, the third home?
I don't know. Honestly.
The amount of thorns I have in my shirt sucks.
I know.
Whoa. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We literally just passed and found this building and this home. There's not much to see for this home, so it's going to be a pretty short video. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a subscribe. Yeah, leave a subscription. You know, hit that button. And until the next video, guys.
Peace out.